2-3 collaborative work. Introverts and extroverts share evidence. We'll stay as a large group for now and share. Ignite. Remember ideas about research from last time and read through these ideas on how to research. You can concentrate on the sentence stems, highlighted in yellow if you find this reading to be too much. And is a conjunction. When immersing oneself in a topic, researchers build background knowledge rapidly, work on their role as a study partner, work to acquire new vocabulary and concepts, pause to synthesize ideas and information, ways to actively contribute to a study group, find new resources, preview texts and label them, create annotated bibliographies, read something and teach the group, suggest texts the whole study group should read, share notes and tools, timelines, flowcharts, diagrams, compare ideas and thinking with study partners, check in with study partners offering support, question and challenge each other to deepen thinking. Critical research partnerships and study groups, racial bias, ethnicity, plastic pollution, voting rights, immigration, climate change, gun control, civil rights, freedom of speech, and animal abuse. Chunk into pieces. Introverts tend to think deeply about ideas, and extroverts bring the strength of synthesizing. Both can take great notes like the following and share the evidence. Introverts, extroverts, racial profiling, source CNN.com. Suspecting someone committed offense because of their race. Examples of this in 2018 at a golf course, and these are other examples. People being accused of various crimes like stealing. Okay, great notes. Chew on it. This is our goal. By the end of quarter 2, you will be able to show your knowledge of a nonfiction topic of your choice, make a claim, and give evidence, examples that show that you are right. We'll get there by sharing notes in groups so we can see examples and work together. You can learn anything. We will use Flipgrid to show what we know. These are elements of the goal. TED Style Talks. We spoke about our topic with passion and zeal, inspiring our audience to care. We synthesized information from our research, highlighting big ideas and linking details to support these ideas. We used visuals to make our presentation more compelling. We used academic vocabulary that is significant to this study and explained it as needed. Our presentation showed evidence of rehearsal and reflection, fluency in presentation, use of support such as visuals and sources, questioning, and connections. We acknowledged important sources by referring to authors or texts inside of the presentation. Common Core goals for both 7th grade and 8th grade: trace and evaluate the argument and specific claims in a text, assessing whether the reasoning is sound and the evidence is relevant and sufficient to support the claims. Review goal: I can share my notes with the class or study group. You may concentrate on the same article from Monday and focus on what examples from the text work as evidence that the main claim is valid. Sentence starters. An article I've read is, its main message is, one of the examples they gave to show they were right was, please add extra ideas with a conjunction, and, but, or. And they said, I think the evidence supports or does not support the main message or claim. Rubric: all 5 prompts were answered with well thought out ideas presented in full sentences. 3, 4 prompts answered with developed ideas in full sentences. 2, 3 prompts answered in complete sentences. 1, 2 prompts answered in complete sentences. 0, 1 or fewer prompts answered. Jacqueline Stocker: an article, video I've read, studied is The Teenager Suing the U.S. Government Over Climate Change. It is by or appeared in Vice. Its main message is teenagers have a right to say what they think. And they gave another example. That Chutzakal has made a video proclaiming his intention to voice his concerns about the health of our planet, and they gave another example that Chisekal speaks out publicly at rallies, and they gave another example that he and other teenagers have sued the government. I think the evidence supports the main message or claim. Thank you.